Good morning. So today I wanted to give you an update on where your classmates are, and hopefully that will help you gauge where you should be. My kids are playing, so usually I have them working on school right now. I'm going to wait just a second because you won't hear what I'm going to say probably otherwise. Okay. They made their way from the basement upstairs. So when I created this, pardon me, my goal was to have the average student work for about 25 minutes a day for each school day. And some of you have already surpassed that, but it looks like, and from the feedback that I'm getting specifically from the students who have invested time, is that you're working through this, you're working well, and you're really learning. So that's excellent. I have had a couple students or their parents who have had difficulty with it, but I think we've worked through that, which is awesome. So hopefully we'll continue to make progress on your education. Here's your averages. Ready? For the 11th and 12th grade, and this records you by name. So if you're in two classes, you might see the same maximum number more than once. Like if you're a junior, for example, in my English class and my geometry class, then we might have the same maximum value because maybe you as a junior have had a certain number of learning minutes total, and that will show up in both of the classes. It doesn't divide it by class. So for 11th and 12th grade English, the average amount of time spent by students in that class on Khan Academy working through the assignments was 150 minutes. The maximum that one of the students in there spent was 308. And the minimum number of learning minutes was 32. So a huge spread in there. So for those students who are under 150, time to step up your game. You definitely should be logging in more minutes than that. The minimum that I want to see from you, as I said in those first emails, is 25 minutes a day. That's just showing me that you're putting forth effort trying to learn for half of what our normal class time would be. And given the circumstances, I think that's good. But of course you can put more time forward because you have the opportunity to learn more since you're not set up in a typical classroom waiting for the rest of your class to get the concept you already know. So you could go farther. For geometry, the average time spent was 200 minutes. The maximum time, I'm going to mention both of them because both of them were really high and were far above the minimum number of learning minutes. There was one student at 308 and one at 402. And then everyone else, as I said, like the average was 200 and then the minimum was 32. But there was a huge difference between the minimum and the next number. Almost all of you were up in that 150 time of learning minutes. 9th and 10th graders, the average amount of time spent on English Khan Academy learning minutes, there were 200 for the average, 200 learning minutes. The maximum was 402 and the minimum was 33. For algebra, come on, 9th grade, let's get this average higher. Our average here was 100, but it really still is appropriate. Like for 100 learning minutes, you're still above the 25 minutes a day, so that's appropriate. The maximum number was 192 and the minimum was 38. And there was, again, a huge spread. I saw that consistently in each of these classes. There'd be like one or two students who would be down like at 30-something or 50-something, and everyone else was beyond 100. For 7th and 8th grade English, the average was 130 minutes. And I did expect that average actually to be a little bit lower, so I was really proud of you for that. Not because I expect less out of you, but just because you haven't had as much computer experience. Well, educational computer experience. The maximum time was 180 minutes, and the minimum amount of time was 6 minutes. So, got to get that up. For my 8th grade math, the average amount of time was 150 minutes. The maximum amount of time was 180 minutes. and the minimum amount of time was 6 minutes. So I hope that helps you as you're trying to gauge how much time you should be investing in this. Again, my minimum for you would be 25 minutes of learning minutes per school day. That's, I think, just a very appropriate goal. Regardless of what grade you're in, you could be sitting there trying to learn and going over concepts. Now, remember, it does show me not only your learning minutes, it shows me each time you take a quiz, and then it shows me each time you get a question right, and then go back and attempt to get it, let's say that you got it wrong, and then you go back and reattempt to learn it, and then get it right. It shows me that also. So it does a great job of showing the schematics. And remember, I'm just an email away or a call or a text. You can reach me from 9 till 2 every school day. And if you reach me after that, I may or may not be able to pick up. But I basically told my kids that, like, unless they're bleeding, I need to be here for you guys first during that time period. And I've had lots of great conversations with many of you, a great number of you. So, see the dogs in the background? Oh, I forget. Camera's backwards. Buddy, Bobo. All right. Well, I hope you're doing well. And remember, just give me a call if you need any help or send me an email. Bye-bye.